A good potting mix and a regular watering schedule go a long way towards keeping your houseplants happy, but to help your plants truly thrive indoors, you may need to apply fertilizer. The number of fertilizers for indoor plants can seem overwhelming, but shopping is easier if you know a few basic facts. First, fertilizers provide different amounts of essential macronutrients to your plants: nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 fertilizers for indoor plants on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Miracle-Gro Water Soluble. The best fertilizer for indoor plants doesn't have to cost a lot of money. The Miracle-Gro Water Soluble all-purpose plant food is both budget-friendly and effective. Plus, you can use it on houseplants, flowers, vegetables, roses, trees, and shrubs. To use this fertilizer on houseplants, simply mix half a teaspoon of the liquid fertilizer with a gallon of water in a watering can and soak the base of your plants. You should plan to apply every 1 to 2 weeks during the growing season. Be sure to follow the instructions carefully to avoid applying too much and burning your plants. For outdoor plants, you can use more of the fertilizer, 1 tablespoon of fertilizer per gallon of water. This formula is relatively potent, providing 24% nitrogen, 8% phosphorus, and 16% potassium. This is a good amount more than a number of other fertilizers designed for houseplants. Number 2. Osmocote Smart Release Plant Food. Don't want to mess with fertilizing your houseplants very often? In that case, the best fertilizer for indoor plants in your house may be a slow-release fertilizer. Many of these fertilizers only require you to apply it every few months or just a couple times a year, minimizing the need for constant care. Osmocote Smart Release Plant Food keeps working for up to 4 months after you apply it. Although that may sound unbelievable, it works because each granule of the fertilizer is coated with a resin that controls how quickly the nutrients are released into the soil. And since the nutrients in Osmocote's fertilizer are released based on changes in temperature, the plant will receive more nutrients during the growing season, when they need them most. This fertilizer contains 15% nitrogen, 9% phosphorus, and 12% potassium, and it works for many different plant varieties and growing conditions. Number 3. Burpee Natural Purpose Granular 4-Pound Organic Food. The best fertilizer for indoor plants provides nutrients for your plants and is low maintenance for you. The Burpee All-Purpose Granular Plant Food feeds indoor plants for up to 3 months. Each granule in the fertilizer is coated with resin to dissolve slowly and release nutrients over time. Plus, the organic formula, which contains 4% nitrogen, 4% phosphorus, and 4% potassium, promotes soil health. Keep in mind that this pick can also be used for outdoor plants and is nutrient-rich, meaning it can be easy to over-apply for indoor plants. To avoid burnt roots or scorched leaves, use less than the recommended dosage for indoor plants, as too much fertilizer will negatively impact your plant's health. Wowlizer recommends only applying organic granular fertilizer once or twice from March to September. This will help your plant absorb the most nutrients during the growing season and prevent over-fertilizing. Number 4. Easy Peasy Liquid All-Purpose Indoor Plant Food. Many fertilizers are made for both indoor and outdoor plants. This isn't an issue with proper application, but it's common to over-fertilize indoor plants with this type of formula. The Easy Peasy All-Purpose Indoor Plant Food is made specially for indoor plants to give you peace of mind. Houseplants grow in poorer conditions than outdoor plants since they do not receive rainwater and constant sunshine, but this also means the environment isn't stripping indoor plants of needed nutrients. Fertilizer helps replenish what the environment takes away, which means indoor plants do not need as many nutrients as outdoor plants. A proper formula can make all the difference for your indoor plants and ensure their health isn't negatively impacted. Liquid fertilizer is easy to apply, and there's a smaller chance that you accidentally over-fertilize and burn your plants. Easy Peasy comes in a concentrated 8-ounce bottle and will need to be combined with water before use. Number 5. Earth Pods Premium Flower Fertilizer. To keep your indoor blooms vibrant and thriving for longer, purchase a fertilizer rich in nutrients that will help them develop their bright flowers. The Earth Pods Organic Flower Food Fertilizer Spikes are designed for both indoor and outdoor flowering plants, and they're super quick and easy to use. Simply press 1 Earth Pod capsule all the way into the potting soil mix near the center of the flowering plant, then water it as you would normally. You'll need to reapply them every 2 to 3 weeks. These capsules can be used on flowering bulbs, houseplants, annual flowers, and flowering shrubs. For small plants, you'll only need 1 or 2 earth pods, but you may need up to 8 for large plants. To give your cut flowers an added boost, simply dissolve 1 or 2 capsules in a vase of lukewarm water and place the stems directly inside. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. I hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. Check out the description box if you want to know the product price. Thanks for watching.